In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your availability for a single day or to override a single day's availability. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Availability. Once you arrive at your availability calendar, your top menu bar should have changed. Go to that new top menu bar and select Overrides. Now, this employee doesn't have any overrides, so there's nothing to show in the chart. To create a new override, click on the little arrow next to Overrides and select Add from the drop-down menu. Now, a window that looks like this should pop up. If you want your override to affect all of your availability templates, select Global. If you only want it to affect a specific location, then click the arrow next to Global and select the location you want from that drop-down menu. I'm going to leave it at Global, and then you need to select the date you want to override. So click the Calendar button and choose your date. For the override to say you're not available for that entire day, hit Save Now. If you're available to work a partial day, select Enabled. And now you can choose the hours you're available to work as well as your preferred hours. I'm going to go ahead and say I want the whole day off, so I'm going to unclick Enabled. And if I don't want to save it, I hit Close, but I do, so I'm going to hit Save. And now my override availability has gone into effect. If I change my mind and I do want to work a partial day, I can select Open under Actions. And now I can choose Enabled. And let's say I can work in the morning but not in the afternoon. I'll say I'm available from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Now I can hit Delete if I want to delete the entire override, or I can hit Close if I just don't want to save those changes. I'm going to hit Save. And now my override shows that I'm available to work in the morning. To double check this, go to your top menu bar and select My Availability. And now I'm going to scroll down to that day. I selected the 28th, and as you can see, I'm available from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. on that Monday. The rest of the Mondays in the month show I'm available from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So my changes did take effect. If you want to learn how to delete that override, check out the next video.